Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy breakfast lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Preparing a banana and milk ball for any serving size becomes easier when every ingredient is measured accurately. That's where the banana and milk ball serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Banana with milk ball is a simple, nutritious no-cook method that's filling and ready within just a few minutes. It's commonly enjoyed for breakfast, snacks, or post-workout meals and is suitable for both kids and adults. Simply enter the required number of persons and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, diet type, calories, course, and difficulty. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, protein, and carbohydrates. Add optional ingredients like oats, honey, chia seeds, or mixed nuts to bring extra flavor, texture, and variety to your ball. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete process from slicing the bananas until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, peel and slice the bananas, then add oats to a serving bowl if you've selected them. Pour in the milk, add the sliced banana pieces, and include honey if you'd like some additional sweetness. Sprinkle chia seeds and mixed nuts on top if selected, then mix everything lightly. Serve immediately or chill the ball for 5 to 10 minutes before enjoying it. For the best taste, use ripe bananas and chilled milk as recommended in the cooking note. A common combination highlighted on the page is 1 banana with 1 cup of milk. Bananas provide potassium, fiber, and natural energy, while milk contributes protein and calcium. Fresh, filling, and ready within minutes, this simple ball brings together convenience and nutrition in every serving. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.